What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, getting ready to run a quick filler for one of our Razes we're doing. Top two names after four are taking home a spot each in the Raz. So we're live. Good luck. Top two after four, it is 623. And we got Corey to Wayne. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Ah, shoot. Would we feel better about Steph coming back, proving that he's healthy, and knowing he can make a championship run easily with him? Timestamp on 3 is at 6:23. 6:24 just turned. We're on our last and final random top two. And there you have it, spot 9, spot 3, Michael and Alex. You guys are taking home a spot each in the main Raz. Fourth and final timestamp says 6:24. And 6:24 it is. So Michael, spot 9. I'll tag you first. Alex, you second. Congrats, guys. We'll see you in the next one.